Welcome to the Buckenhaven School Video Library. In this video, we'll be looking at fractions, with particular focus on how to calculate fractions of amounts. First, it is important for the children to remember about the numerator, which is the number on top, and the denominator, the number on the bottom. At this point, children should also be aware of fractions and their equivalences, such as half being equal to 2/4, and that being equal to 4/8. At this point, the children should be aware of how to calculate simple fractions of amounts. For example, if the children are asked to find half of 8, they are aware that they need to divide by the denominator, which in this case is 2. Therefore, they will calculate 8 divided by 2, giving them the answer of 4. Likewise, if the children are asked to find the quarter of a number, they are aware that they need to divide by the denominator, which in this case is 4. This will give them the calculation of 12 divided by 4, and that will give them the answer of 3. In both these examples, although the denominator has changed, the numerator, or the number at the top, has remained the same, of 1. If they are given a fraction where the numerator is greater than 1, an extra step needs to be completed. Like before, they still divide by the denominator, but now they must multiply by the numerator. In Buckenhaven, we often refer to this as the rule of dividing by the bottom and multiplying by the top. Although it does not make a difference as to what order these calculations are completed, we encourage that the children complete their division first, and this usually gives them a more manageable number to then multiply. Here's an example of how it might look. If the children were asked to find 3/4 of 20, we would ask the children to divide by the denominator. So in this case is 4. This would give them the sum of 20 divided by 4 to give them the total of 5. They then must take the 5 and multiply it by the numerator, which in this case is 3. That will give them the final total answer of 15. This can work for any fractions of amounts. For example, if the children were asked to find 5/7 of 56, what they would be asked to do would take the 56 and divide it by the denominator, which is 7, and that would give them the answer of 8. They would then take this 8 and multiply it by the numerator, which in this case is 5. 8 times 5 to give us the answer of 40. As the children become more confident in finding fractions of amounts, they will be able to tackle harder challenges, such as this one, in which they are asked to find 7/9 of £6.30. They would use their knowledge that they can divide £6.30 by 9 to give them the answer of 70p. They would then take that 70p, multiply it by the numerator, which is 7, giving them the total of £4.90. We hope you have found this presentation on fractions of amounts useful. Thank you.